1:11 a.m., my old radio crackled to life, though it hadn't worked in years. Static hissed. Then a voice whispered my name. Sarah. I froze, alone in my small Ohio apartment. The voice wasn't mine. It was low, guttural, wrong. I yanked the plug, but the static grew louder, spitting out, "Look behind you." Heart pounding, I turned, seeing only my shadow on the wall. But it moved when I didn't. The radio screeched. Closer. My breath hitched as the shadow stretched, its fingers curling toward me. I stumbled to the light switch, flipping it on. The room was empty, the radio silent. Then, from the unplugged speaker, a laugh crawled out, cold and sharp. "I'm not in the radio," it whispered.